Are you tired of losing sales because your customers are struggling to check out? Today, I'm going to show you how to turn on Apple Pay and Google Pay in Shopify, making checkout a breeze and boosting your revenue. First, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, find and click on the Settings option. At the very bottom, this opens up your store's settings panel. Now, within the Settings menu, locate and click on Payments. This will take you to the payment settings for your store. If you already have Shopify Payments set up, you'll see a section for it here. If not, you'll need to activate Shopify Payments first. It's super easy. Just follow the prompts to enter your business and banking details. Once Shopify Payments is active, scroll down within the Shopify Payments section, and you'll find the Apple Pay and Google Pay options that are usually right next to each other. To enable Apple Pay, simply click the toggle switch next to it. It should turn blue or green, indicating that it's activated. Do the same for Google Pay. Click the toggle to turn it on, and that's it. You've successfully enabled Apple Pay and Google Pay on your Shopify store. Now your customers can enjoy fast, secure, and convenient checkout experiences, which means happier customers and more sales for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks.